In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Then click on Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gbird. Finally, after tapping on text correction, scroll down just a bit to tap on this switcher next to autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!